Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the ultimate blend of comfort, nature, and security in this charming, tastefully furnished two-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom cottage being sold furnished and ready for you to move right in. It is located in the serene community of Wakefield, Linstead, St. Catherine, and sits on zero point 0.2 acres. This rare find features a gently flowing river on the property and the lush green surroundings that create a peaceful oasis with modern convenience. With its open concept design, natural wooden floors and the ceiling, spacious rooms, and the ease of how everything flows, this is the perfect little getaway cottage in the peaceful countryside. Perfect for an Airbnb and a short term rental investment. Let's close this deal today. Call for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 29.5 million or US $187.1 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.